Hello everyone, my name is Alif Mirbahar and I would like to welcome you all to Data with the Alif channel where we will learn the data analysis from the beginning and today's lecture is a filter function. So how we will work on filter function? What is filtering? First of all, you have to learn what is filtering. So filtering is all the data you have thousands or millions of data and you have to find out an employee how he is performing. Yeah, let's suppose your HR is telling you to find out, right, like Rizal Karim from the list. So what you will do, you will find out Rizal Karim, select it and find out how he is doing in thousands of millions of data and you have to sort out how he is performing. So what you have to do, this is the manual process and how will you find out now. Your HR is telling you find out the aggregate section and you have to find out Adnan Rashid. Okay, so I'm going to find out the Adnan Rashid. He is doing better, he is doing yellow. He has been listed as yellow, so Adnan Rashid is doing neutral. So this is the way how you'll do filtering manually, okay, from the table. But what do you have to do? What if you have thousands or millions of data sets? You have to call the filter function. So I'm going to call the filter function array. What is array? I hope you have already gone through my previous lesson and you already understand what is array. I will not tell you again. I'm going to select the whole table, the array which is called and I'm going to call the department one after another. I will show you. I'm going to select the department and put equal sign in there and I'm going to select it. So what I have to do is I have to put the select inclusion that I'm going to do is the department's column put in a table in a first bracket and then I'm going to put if empty. What if I cannot find out any information about this department which has been given. So I'm going to put equal sign and close the bracket and I found nothing. So why is that? Because I have selected this place, this department, and there is no department included here. If I select like for production department, then it will give me all the information how many people. There are 49 people I have find from this list of 394 people. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is what if my HR is asking me you have to find out the department as well as the country. Okay, so country was selection I'm going to do. So I'm going to call the filter function again and I have to find out the array and I hope you have already understand what is array and what it includes. Okay, first of all you have to put a first bracket and select the department. Okay, select the department equal sign is equal and put the production. Okay, so close the bracket and put a strike and I have to select the country as well. So what you have to do is you have to select the country column and put a equal sign and also you have to select the country from here. So now you have to close the bracket, and finally, if empty, what you have to do, you have to put the in a and close the bracket. Okay, so if I put enter, I found there is nothing. Okay, why is that for? Because there is no country enlisted. Okay, I'm going to find out the production department from the Malaysia. How many people are existed in there? So there are 5 people already in is existed in Malaysia. Now I'm going to find out marketing department the same. I'm going to find the research and development. There are 2 people only. Okay, if I want to find out from the operations department in Bangladesh, so yeah, see, you can find out only 6 people. Okay, now I'm going to find out like HR department. So there are 4 people has been found, filtered out. Okay, through this way you have to work with the filter function, and you if you have any question you can put the comment section below, and I will get back to you. And what I'd like to inform you that I put questions in every lecture, so yeah, you can go through that as to judge your skill whether you have come to learn it or not. Or if you have any question, put your comment below so that I may answer you. Thank you. Have a nice day.